Dear friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is meaning of research in the introduction chapter of the subject research methodology. Research means search for knowledge. It is the search and research till we find the truth. It is the scientific and systematic way of study of a phenomenon or a subject or a topic. The research is actually conducted to get solution for a problem. As all of you know that all human beings are with the vital instinct of inquisitiveness, that is knowing about others and other situations. When they happen to know something from others or other sources, and there is conflict in that because some is giving one opinion and some another opinion about the phenomenon or an individual or a group of people or a situation, then that contradictory views arises means then quite naturally that they are trying to find out the truth in it. When they are trying to find out the truth, that is called research. Finally, that they are going to find out the hidden truth by conducting some kind of inquiry. That is called the research. Hence, the inquisitiveness is considered to be the mother of all knowledge. Then, as far as research is concerned, there are many definitions. Out of that, two important definitions, one given by Clifford Woody. According to him, the research is an academic activity. He defines research as research comprises of defining, redefining of problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making decisions and reaching conclusions, and at last testing the conclusion whether it is suitably fitting the hypothesis. It's a best definition. This is what we are following. According to him, research is the first define a problem in the study area. Then second one is formulate a hypothesis. That means suggested solution. That means what would be the result of the study should be well in advance determined. That is called the hypothesis or suggested solution. Suppose one is going to conduct a study about the performance of micro enterprises in a locality and making the assumption that these micro enterprise units are giving per annum profit of rupees 10,000 for the investment, say below 50,000. And this is one kind of hypothesis. Like that, many hypotheses can be formed, and then they are going to collect data by selecting the respondents of owners of micro enterprises, and then they are going to present their conclusion, and that conclusion about the study, and finally they are going to test whether the conclusion is suitably fitting the assumption. They have assumed that the micro enterprises with the below investment of rupees 50,000 in a locality is giving a return of monthly return of rupees 10,000 minimum. And sometimes it may be, the result may be 20,000. Sometimes it may be 5,000. In that case, it is not fitted to the hypothesis. And the actual one means that 20,000 rupees per month. Your assumption is and you are definitely stating that 10,000. That is wrong. Sometimes it happened to be that your result is 11,500. Then it is somewhat close to that. Hence, we can say that it is accepted. So, best definition given by him. Another one is Lester and Stephenson. He is also given a very good definition. According to him, the research is the manipulation of things, facts, or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct, or verify knowledge. Whether the knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the production of an art or practice of an art. This is also a best definition. This is somewhat more concerned with the experimental research by grouping the respondents as normal and experimental group and manipulation to be done. I can give a simple example about the manipulation. Means when a baby is crying and you are giving sweet, then the baby stops the crying. That is manipulation. When you are not giving sweet, then the crying will continue. Like that, so many examples. Some kind of food is provided, some special teaching is given, good environment is provided, then quite naturally the student who studied in +2 level or the all in his life of study, he could be able to score very good marks and would be placed in better educational institutions. His lifestyle will be changing. This is the manipulation. Otherwise, no kind of special treatment, then quite naturally they will be getting, they are not able to contribute, in the education, and thereby they are scoring less marks. And another one, this research is for the purpose of generalizing. For example, a researcher may conduct a study in a particular field and particular area. One example I am telling about the drinking habits of individuals in a locality, and find that in that area most of them are having the habit of drinking. That is generalization. And also he find out that average consumption is half liter per day. Is too high means or quarter liter average consumption. Yes, some may be consuming more for the other individuals making 2 liters and some may consume 100 milli. I am not having the habit, but just I am telling what is practical experience. With that I am telling that. But this is generalization. And so many examples can be given. And they can formulate a theory out of that. So these are all the conditions. Because of this is happening. Yes, they are all poverty. No other means of enjoyment. Hard working. Everything is contributing for their drinking habits. So like that employment level in the area can be studied. So best definition given by him. And then according to this definition, research is actually contribution for the existing body of knowledge. Already contributed knowledge are there. And about the study about the sugar industry, tea industry, or coffee industry, many researchers and many studies are there. And your contribution may be an additional one for the already existing body of knowledge. That is the research. This will expand the knowledge of one individual. Thereby he will be more dynamic, and thereby he is much interested. She is much interested of knowing the things. But now ladies are more dynamic than the men. Then thereby we could not tell only she should come first. Okay. And then that we are adopting systematic methods, and here a particular thing is generalization and forming a theory. That is a core important factor in the research methodology. The first step towards studying the research is these things. But actually, practically speaking, this introduction seems to be difficult. And other things somewhat easy, giving more contribution, because I have to memorize the two definitions. And I already memorized, but the second definition seems to be, I thought of reading it. Reading some aspect like that. Okay. Now, this is a very interesting topic. I am trying to cover all the chapters through the, PowerPoint presentation and the video, and explain it. Those who are interested can study. And this, I think, this is the purpose is to make a record for all the information which I studied, and in this subject I am going to make a test that 70% over. Still I have to spend some time. Okay. Thank you very much. I am very happy to see everyone. My students are viewing the videos. Any suggestions you can freely mention there. No problem. Any negative or positive you can mention. Okay. Thank you very much.